10 divided by 10 gives us 1. And again here we have 10 divided by 10. So 1 divided by 1 is just 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. If we do this division before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 10 divided by 10 gives us 1. So we have 1 divided by 10 and again divided by 10. Now we have to do this division. 1 divided by 10 can be written as 1 over 10. So 1 over 10 divided by 10. Now, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 1 over 10 times 1 over 10, which equals 1 times 1 gives us 1. So 1 over 10 times 10 equals 100. So we have 1 over 100. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 1 over 100.